let's check again.
A,
Ah.
ya,
Mm-hmm.
o, yo, o, yo, u, you, e. No,
Uh,
this is an e. This
uh,
is the,
uh,
and e.
E.
Yeah.
Good. Perfect. Wow. You're so good at that. Then can you do that? Yeah.
E. Wait a minute.
That.
Ya,
Yeah.
ya,
Yeah.
ya, e,
Mm-hmm.
a,
Mm-hmm.
you,
You. Good.
you. Oh, that's you. And this is
Mm-hmm.
o.
Right. Good. Good.
Okay.
Your sound is so good.
O,
Oh, right?
o, yo,
Yo, right?
yo, yo.
Mm-hmm.
U,
Ooh.
uh,
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 and you,
you.
you.
Right. Perfect. Excellent. Very good. Okay. And let's, check quickly.
Again?
Again.
Okay. Oh, you're just going to point to different ones. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
A, u,
Right.
o, e, u, a.
I don't think so.
Wait.
Oh,
O.
oh.
Wait, wait, go back. Is it the one the
This
of
one.
the this one is all. Oh.
Oh, right,
Okay,
right.
yes. I
Yeah,
didn't
yeah.
see where you put the dot.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I think it's yaw.
Yeah, right?
Yaw. Yo.
Yes, good.
You.
Mm-hmm.
O.
Oh, good.
E. Ya.
Good, good, good.
O. A.
Perfect. Good job. Very good. So you can practice.
Writing.
I think you already did that. So ya, o, yo, o, yo, you. Can you read this one?
Oh, yes, okay. A.
Ah,
A. U. O. A. O.
o, good.
O. E.
Uh,
E.
u.
U.
Right. So we didn't learn yet. This one is
E.
right.
E. And
Yeah.
this one sounds the same to me.
Yes, yes,
E.
yes. So you can sound same. It's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So actually, yeah, Korean also couldn't sound perfectly. Yeah, it's not easy. So I will show you this one. Uh, this one, E.
E.
E
E.
is teeth, teeth,
Teeth.
teeth,
E. Teeth.
teeth, tooth,
Teeth.
teeth, and U. U is
U.
five, five. U,
U. U.
U.
U.
Number five.
Yeah.
U,
E.
U. And
U.
I. I is keys, keys, keys.
A.
I, I,
I.
I.
Because it's both both of those syllables together.
Yes.
I.
I, I. I is word, word. I
Okay.
is kids, children.
Okay.
And OE, OE
Is
is
cucumber.
cucumber,
Okay.
cucumber.
U.
So, yeah. those words are only vowel sounds.
Okay.
이, 오, 아이, 오이,
I, O,
아이, 오이.
E, O, E is teeth.
Teeth.
O is 5.
Mm-hmm.
I is
Mm-hmm.
children,
Mm-hmm.
and OE is
Mm-hmm.
cucumber.
Right. Good job. Right. Okay. And so we teach to kids like that, like the body language.
Mhm.
Ya, o, yo, o, yo, 우, and then the just this like that. You is like that.
Oh,
Yes.
so you make the shape with your body that
Yes. Yes.
the
And so
letter
don't
is,
forget. Yeah.
or
Yeah. Just
the vowel
remember.
is.
Yeah. As your body.
Okay.
So this one, 여우, 여우,
Ya,
여우,
U.
여우 is fox.
Ya, U. Fox.
Fox. Remember cucumber?
Yeah. Oh, wait. Don't tell me. I'm looking. I'm cheating because I wrote it down. It's
Yes.
OE.
Right. O E. Then this one, same here. Yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
Yo.
Yo-yo.
Yo-yo. Yo-yo is yo-yo. Yo-yo. And remember, kids,
Kids are OE.
I-E.
Ah, ah.
I-E.
Yes, because all goes this way. Okay.
Yes.
Ah,
I-E.
okay.
And this one, remember?
Teeth is
Teeth.
E. E.
Right. Right. E. Okay. Again, can you tell me?
Okay.
Can you
Okay.
tell me? First
O
one?
O E.
Mm-hmm. This one?
Second one is O E.
I-E.
A E. Ugh,
I-E. This
ah,
one?
A E. Then
Mm-hmm.
it's yo yo.
Yo-yo. Right.
Yo yo
This one?
is a
Yo.
ya o.
Yo-u. Right.
Ya o.
Yo-u. And this one?
And this one is O. No. E.
Right. E. E.
Ye.
Right. Good, good. Very good. And do you know, ayaya is
Yeah.
ouch, ouch,
Yeah.
ouch, ouch in English, but in Korea, ayaya.
We say something like
Yeah.
that
When
sometimes.
you
We
hit
say,
when you hit by something, then ayaya,
ah, yeah.
ayaya is ouch like that.
That makes sense.
Yes. Ayaya. Ayah. Yeah.